Although Peloton is still in business with millions of members, it's far from what it was during its heyday during that time when home fitness was booming while the world was in quarantine. After outlining the prevailing challenges faced by the company, we'll highlight key parts of their strategy to recover and grow again. Overall, Peloton has been struggling due to declining demand for their products and services that coincided with the declined demand for home fitness following changes in consumer preferences, moving back outside the home following the end of the global pandemic, resulting in excess inventory and a decreasing subscriber base. In February 2022, Peloton announced a restructuring plan to refocus operations for growth and cost improvement. The initial plan involved reducing headcount, closing assembly and manufacturing plants, consolidating distribution facilities, and shifting to third-party logistics providers. In July 2022, they exited all owned manufacturing operations, transitioning to a Taiwanese manufacturer. Other changes included transitioning North American field operations to third-party providers, reducing member support roles, and exiting real estate footprints in certain locations. The company completed the sale of its Peloton Output Park building in January 2024. On April 22, 2024, Peloton's board approved a new restructuring plan that includes an additional global headcount reduction of approximately 15% and continued closures of retail locations. Most changes are expected to be implemented by the end of fiscal year 2025. The end goal is to keep reducing negative net cash used in operating activities and free cash flow, as well as decrease total operating expenses, along with plans to continue optimizing showroom footprint. Yet Peloton notes the potential risks and uncertainties related to their restructuring initiatives aimed at reducing costs and improving their business. These measures may not be successful in achieving expected results, could negatively impact cash flows and employee morale, and might result in reputation harm due to unfavorable publicity. However, Peloton still believes their first-mover advantage, leading market position, and superior content set them apart in the connected fitness market. They explain they provide a unique value proposition and business model that's difficult to replicate, with their connected fitness subscription and app offerings, giving them a competitive edge over traditional fitness products and services. Their main competition comes from at-home fitness equipment, health and wellness apps, fitness clubs, and in-studio classes. There's competition for consumers, product innovation, B2B clients, and talent across various industries. Key competitive factors include cost, supply chain efficiency, product quality, technological advances, and brand awareness. Peloton has connected fitness products like the Peloton Bike, Bike Plus, Tread, Tread Plus, Guide, and Row. These products provide access to expert instruction and content for workout experiences at home, outdoors, or on the go. Immersive and personalized experiences are delivered through their app or hardware. Financing options are available for most products in addition to a rental program in select markets. Memberships provide access to Peloton's fitness experience, with different plans such as All Access, Peloton app, and Guide memberships offering varying levels of content and features. Continued growth depends on their ability to attract and retain subscribers, which is impacted by factors like competition or changes in consumer preferences. Peloton's investments in research and development are mainly for their content delivery and interactive software platform. Their goal is to enhance the member experience through continuous improvements, feature enhancements, and innovations on their connected fitness products and Peloton app. Examples include the launch of Peloton Entertainment for watching sports, shows, and movies while working out, personalized pace targets on Tread and Row, and AI-powered personalization and discovery models across all software platforms. Peloton explains it creates engaging original fitness content across various modalities such as strength, yoga, cardio, cycling, running, walking, tread boot camp, bike boot camp, boxing, Pilates, barre, rowing, and row boot camp. Some of their other main selling points center on instructor-led classes, scenic content shot in beautiful locations, game-inspired workout options like Lane Break, and training programs catered to members' interests and fitness goals. Peloton Studios provide an in-person content experience, producing content in 3 languages, English, German, Spanish, with subtitles and dubbed classes available as well. They collaborate with music providers to feature various artists and genres that align with their members' musical tastes. Products are sold directly to customers through various channels, including e-commerce, inside sales, retail showrooms, and third-party retailers. They also offer Peloton connected fitness products to B2B customers and provide opportunities for employers and other enterprise partners to subsidize access to their services. Their sales team uses customer relationship management tools to deliver a personalized purchase experience. In addition, they offer a range of solutions for enterprise clients across 7 verticals through Peloton for Business. They utilize performance marketing strategies to build brand awareness and generate sales. Peloton uses third-party manufacturing partners for their new products, procuring components according to their design specifications from various suppliers. They regularly review their relationships with contract manufacturers and component suppliers while evaluating potential new partnerships. Logistics and service network include leased, operated, and contracted third-party logistics providers covering middle-mile and last-mile operation centers in the United States, Canada, Germany, the United Kingdom, Australia, and Austria. For more on Peloton and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you again very soon.